Sensi Smart Thermostat makes controlling your home's temperature easier and smarter. It lets you adjust settings from your phone, create personalized schedules, and maintain a comfortable environment while helping you manage energy usage. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Sensi Smart Thermostat, a cosmetic plate, wire labeling stickers, and screws with anchors, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. Installation. Before installing the thermostat, remove the front cover of the existing thermostat and carefully expose the wiring. Take a clear photo of the current wiring setup so you can refer back to it during installation or restore the original thermostat if needed. Identify each wire according to its function, such as the G wire for the fan, Y wire for cooling, R wire for power, and W wire for heating. After confirming the wiring, remove the old thermostat by loosening the screws and disconnecting the wires from their terminals. Mount the Sensi thermostat backplate on the wall. Feed the wires through the center opening and secure it using the mounting screws. Connect each wire to the matching terminal by following the wiring reference photo, then install the batteries and attach the thermostat display to the mounting bracket. Once everything is connected, restore power from the circuit breaker or HVAC system and begin the setup process. How to pair. To complete the thermostat setup, download the Sensi app on your smartphone, create an account, log in, and accept the terms. In the app, add a new device and select the Sensi Smart Thermostat model. Follow the setup steps by confirming the thermostat is mounted, entering the connected wiring terminals such as R, W, Y, and G, and selecting your heating system type. Install batteries if needed, enable Wi-Fi mode with the menu and mode buttons, connect your phone to the Sensi thermostat network, enter the security PIN from the device or thermostat, and select your home Wi-Fi network. After entering the Wi-Fi password, the app will configure and connect the thermostat. Name your thermostat, complete registration, and finish setup. Once done, you can control temperature, switch between heating and cooling, adjust fan settings, and manage schedules from the Sensi app. Functionality. Switching system mode, fan mode, holding one temperature, temporary hold, turn Wi-Fi off, manual settings, configurations, terminals,
Smart features?
Control your home's temperature from anywhere using the Sensi mobile app. Adjust heating or cooling settings remotely to maintain comfort even when you are away. Receive notifications about temperature changes, extreme conditions, and system updates. Stay informed about your home's comfort levels and quickly manage your HVAC settings. Automatically adjusts your thermostat settings based on your phone's location. Helps maintain comfort when you arrive home and saves energy when you leave. Monitor your heating and cooling activity through the Sensi app to understand your energy habits. Helps you make smarter adjustments and improve overall HVAC efficiency. Allows easy installation on compatible HVAC systems without always requiring a C-wire connection. Provides reliable thermostat operation with convenient battery power support.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Sensi Smart Thermostat. See you at the next one.